Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you and lecture you how to record your screen, how to record your laptop screen with OBS. So OBS is a software that you can learn as easy as ABC. It's not that hard or others hard to learn. So go over to your Google Chrome and search OBS Studio download. So after you click download it from your search from your Google Chrome and install the app. So after doing it, so I've already installed the app in my laptop. So next thing I'm going to do now is to head over to my settings. I'm going to show you what you are going to set. Yes, before you start doing anything. So my is I want to use it for like recording my screen. So go over to my settings. So my general. So I have to leave everything as it is. Yeah. So I have to leave everything as it is now. So I head over to my stream. So my stream my that's I'm gonna leave it as Twitch. That Twitch is okay for me. So your output mode should be at simple. So I have already changed all these settings before. So my video bitrate, leave it at 2500. Then audio, all these things. So I'm gonna leave my settings like this. So recording quality should be at high quality medium. Yeah, size 5 size. So recording format should be at MP4. So this is how your setting should be. So I go over to my audio. So look at my settings here, desktop audio. So I choose it to be at default, or probably choose a high definition audio device. Yeah, so your desktop audio too is okay at disabled. Then or so I leave it and go over to my video. So look at my settings here. My base canvas, I change it at 1366. So and my output is 1920 by 1080. So my aspect ratio. So this is how your setting should be. And make sure after settings all these things in your OBS Studio, make sure to go to apply, then press OK to save the changes. The next thing you're going to do for me now is to head over to your socks. Then at the top bottom, there is a plus icon there. So click on that plus icon. So click on that plus icon. So you can leave it at gain capture or display capture. So I'm choosing display capture here. So click on display capture, then create a new one. Then after naming your display capture, then press OK. Then press OK and go to the display. So leave it at automatic. So go to display and select. So I'm going to show you what to select now. So go there and select primary monitor, because I'm using this system as my primary monitor. If there is any other monitor that I want it to display at, I will choose that one also. So this is my primary monitor. So I'm choosing primary monitor. And after that, what next you're going to do now is to press OK. You understand? Is to press OK. Is to press OK on your. After pressing OK, then you are good to go. You are good to go. Everything is there. It says start recording. So if you start recording,